Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for the Tag Me challenge. I started this challenge in March and I usually do it way more frequently, but as some of you know, I recently rescued a little puppy and he has been taking a lot of my time. I will definitely insert a picture of him. He's so super adorable. Today was his last vaccination appointment and he weighed in at a whopping 6.6 pounds, and I'm not sure how much bigger he's going to get than that. I do apologize for this going so long, but these are all of the channels that tagged me between March and August of 2025. I went back and double checked that I did catch everybody. If you tagged me on Instagram and it was a story, I may have missed it. Just send me a message and I will add you to my next Tag Me challenge. The Tag Me is anytime you tag me at Double Click Connect, if you are showing my dewdrops in any way, like using them on projects, how you organize them, how you store them, if you're showing an incoming order, or you're using them on outgoing Happy Mail, miscellaneous shout outs, any reason that you tag me, I will enter you to win some dewdrops. And these are all the people that tagged me between these dates, and this is the set of dewdrops that I'm going to be sending out. I'm not sure what collection this is from. I think I may have been doing sample colors when I was doing the Peeps collection. I'm going to be sending that out, but let's go ahead and quickly pick a... I'm going to pull up my laptop, and here we have 1 through 37. So here we go. 1 through 37. And we're going to hit generate, and that number is 2. So let's see, that is Carrie over at Carrie Crafts. Congratulations, Carrie. I have your address, I think, but if you want to go ahead and send me a message, let me know that you saw this. I will definitely have these dewdrops sent out to you in the mail. I thank you guys so much for all of your support. Please feel free to tag me anytime to be entered into my next giveaway. I just recently released my Halloween 2025 set. I believe I only have 3 sets left. If you're interested, just send me a message and hopefully you will be able to receive one of the last few of this collection. I will not be remaking this. I may release traditional Halloween colors next month, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see if there's a request for them. Congratulations once again, Carrie. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.